So this is another trick
This
that
is not something that I have to worry about as a passenger princess.
What's up, weirdos?
Yeah, boy.
Welcome to Travel Hacks Part 2. Are you waiting for me? Welcome to Travel Hacks Part 2. We're going to get into some more travel hacks. If you saw yesterday's video and you're here, we appreciate you. Let's get going into those. Go to your camera app, point it at whatever you want to translate. In this case, it's a photography exhibit thing that we went to. You'll see you'll get these four little brackets. So you just can tap on what you want to translate, or you just get in the corner this little square icon, brackets icon. Select all. It will select everything for you. When you touch it, then you choose translate. Boom, translated. Easy job. So, hope that helps. On Google Maps,
Which we said not to use.
yes, but if there are places that you want,
Hypocrites.
if there are places where Google Maps works, so maybe less Asia and more maybe Europe or other Western countries. Okay, here's the demonstration on how to use or save offline maps for Google Maps. So open Google Maps, search for a place. So I'm going to search for Fukuoka. And then what you do, once it's got, you can even zoom in a little bit if you want. Then you just type here in the search, you type OK map. Search. Then it asks you, do you want to download this map? And then you just choose download. And then it will download this map to your phone offline so that you can use it. Very helpful. So this is another trick
This is not something that I have to worry about as a passenger princess. So.
The night before you're leaving, wherever you're leaving, and you've got all your stuff packed and you've got your passports and everything you need in the safe, so that you don't forget, put one of the shoes that you'll be wearing for the flight in the safe, because then the next morning or whenever you need to wake up to travel to catch your flight, you're not going to leave the hotel with one shoe. So you will then remember, okay, it's in the safe.
You might do.
And then you'll be able to remember to take all the stuff that's in the safe.
I also think that a shoe's gross, but this is a Darren thing. So, I mean, I don't know, maybe underwear or something that's just
So the underwear you're going to wear on the flight.
Less gross, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Anything that you will not forget to, so even if it's your outfit, I guess, if it's your outfit for the next.
Your clothing.
Yeah.
For you, it's clothing. For me, it's outfit.
Yeah.
Ensemble.
Ensemble. And last one is also really, really helpful. We use an app, Wise, what used to be known as TransferWise, and they allow you to store and to use multiple currencies. I think it's up to 40 different currencies that they allow you to use in 160 countries. Depending on where you're from, if you're from America, Canada, I think Australia, a few places in Europe, a few countries in Europe, you can get a physical card. They will send you a physical card, which you then can use, and it will be at the exchange rate, the Google exchange rate of the time when you're spending, up to 160 countries and 40 different currencies. So that's great. And
Very
it will
helpful.
automatically do the exchanging for you, or they can provide you with a digital card. So that's also great if you are like, we're from South Africa, so South Africa doesn't have the physical card yet, but having the digital card is really, really helpful. Then you can link it to Apple Pay if you have, or I think Android Pay or Samsung Pay or whatever it is, and that's really, really helpful. So we'll put a link if you want to download Wise. It's an app, a free app, and if you want to download that, then go find it there. And then also with Wise, you can automate a travel fund. So you can every month just automate that a certain amount gets debited off your normal bank account and goes into, you can designate the currency, or just you can have your currency account. And so that you know that, okay, we're going to travel, the next holiday we have is then. So just a little bit of money every month goes into this account. and then you don't have to worry so much about, oh, how are we going to spend, or what money do we have to spend. Yeah. But these have been hacks that have helped. Yeah.
Hacks that have. Okay.
Okay. See ya.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.